America is known as the land of tornadoes. Giant tornadoes have devastated and destroyed a series of towns and cities of the country. The United States has suffered countless wraths of Mother Nature, and the most powerful Hurricane Harvey of the decade has also made landfall and caused the US extremely serious damage. Let's learn about Hurricane Harvey now. Hurricane Harvey is Hurricane Harvey was a tropical cyclone that caused unprecedented and catastrophic flooding in southeastern Texas. It was the first major hurricane to make landfall in the United States since Hurricane Wilma in 2005, ending a record 12-year period without a major hurricane. Superstorm of the decade, Harvey swept across the Texas coast. After bombarding along the coast of the Gulf of Mexico, Tropical Storm Harvey made landfall in Texas on August 25th. Its slow process brought a torrential downpour of rain and catastrophic flooding to the region. Over a 4-day period, many areas received more than 40 inches of rain as the system slowly meandered through eastern Texas and surrounding waters, causing unprecedented flooding. With a maximum accumulation of 60.58 inches, the floods flooded hundreds of thousands of homes, displaced more than 30,000 people, and performed more than 17,000 rescues. Many researchers believe that it's climate change that has made storms more and more dangerous. The super typhoon toppled roofs, broke many trees, and caused tornadoes and flash floods. After several days of roaming, Hurricane Harvey spread terror across the southeastern Texas and Louisiana. Harvey caused the deaths of 107 people. Catastrophic inland flooding hits the Houston metropolitan area. According to preliminary estimates, the damage caused by this storm is up to $125 billion US, equal to Hurricane Katrina of the 2005 hurricane season. Many localities were submerged in water, and measures were taken to control the floods and limit damage. Hurricane Harvey has engulfed the oil and gas industry in Texas, which processes up to a third of US oil production. Companies like ExxonMobil have had to suspend their production facilities, and it will take several more weeks to return to normal operations. According to the analysis of many experts, natural disasters can increase unemployment, cause loss of tax revenue, and affect food and fuel supplies for months, pushing up commodity prices. At the same time, there is a risk of increasing the number of poor people in disaster-affected areas. Although not the cause of Hurricane Harvey or any other hurricane, it's climate change that has made the storm more and more dangerous. Hurricanes are a natural hazard, and they are being exacerbated by climate change, said Catherine Hayhoe. One of the reasons Harvey rose from Category 1 to 4 so quickly is because of warmer water means water vapor that can power a larger storm, and the superstorm's fuel source. Harvey is currently unusually warm due to a combination of global warming related to climate change and the sweltering heat of August in the region. Although many scientists still believe that climate change does not directly cause a single weather event, 2 centuries of humans burning fossil fuels have changed temperatures enough to confirm its dangerous impact on making Hurricane Harvey in particular, and storm situation globally worse. This raises the question whether America, or the whole world, is paying for the actions that led to climate change today. Scientists also believe that any delay in US efforts to prevent greenhouse effects could cause this country in particular, and the whole world in general, to suffer heavy losses in the long term, when in fact, the United States emitted 5.1 million tons of CO2, more than all the 28 EU countries, and accounted for almost 1/6 of all global emissions in 2015 alone. Harvey was no ordinary hurricane. The Category 4 storm had gusts of up to 209 km an hour, making it the strongest hurricane to hit the States since 1961. Many researchers call it the Black Swan, an outlier, something that occurs only every millennium. But by the end of the century, under current climate models, if action is not taken to halt climate change, researchers warn that unusually high pressure could occur, and more severe thunderstorms. At that time, Hurricane Harvey could turn into an annual storm in the future. In the face of such obvious risks, the United States and the whole world needs to have the right solutions and timely actions to partly limit the serious damage that climate change could cause. It can be seen that these extreme weather phenomena have made the world, and especially the United States, buckling against overcoming the consequences. This superstorm is a wake-up call to the world about the unpredictable dangers that people face when Mother Nature is angry. From here, we once again see the urgency of the issue of environmental protection. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the information we provide will help you better understand this storm. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to support us. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.